Alright, here we go with box number 6. Oh yeah, this break is sponsored by AtlantaSportsCards.com. Sorry, I hadn't plugged them in a while. Okay. I'm getting really tired. There's tons of packs in these boxes. Alright. Alright, we got a Marion Barber jersey card. Gold parallel, numbered to 250. Got an Element, Nate Burleson, not numbered. Nothing. Jamal Charles cross training, number to 1,000. A Mark Bradford rookie longevity, numbered to 25. It's that guy again. Got a longevity of Brian Brom. Freshman orientation. Longevity, where'd I get that from? Freshman orientation, numbered to 250. Alright, saving the best 2 hits for last, hopefully. Man, none of these packs will open. Rookie of Peyton Hillis, numbered to 999. He's doing really well right now for the Broncos. A Santana Moss longevity, numbered to 249. Rookie of Terrence Wheatley to the Patriots, numbered to 999. Hopefully a patch and an auto, or maybe a patch autograph, I don't know. Yeah. Cross training, Brian Brom, number to 1,000. A jumbo jersey of Andre Caldwell to the Bengals. Single colored, numbered 10 of 50. Still very low numbered. Alright, so maybe we'll have a patch autograph all on the same one. Malcolm Kelly, Studio Rookies, number to 1,000. And it's a redemption. 2008 Leaf Rookie Stress Dress for Success Prime Signatures. Okay, so there's an autograph card number 30, which is, let's see if that's right. Card number 30 is Brandon Stokely, but let's see. I don't know exactly, I have to figure that out. Dress for Success material jersey. I don't know exactly, we'll have to figure that out later. Alright. Elements, number 249, Braylon Edwards. None of these want to open right. Rookie of Marcus Smith, number to 999. Vernius Coles, longevity, number to 99. And the last pack. Rookie of Alex Smith, number to 999. Alright, that's it.